Hi, I'm Britt of Britt Interiors. I want to talk to you today and give you a few tips on where to hang a picture on a smaller wall. What you want to do is take the art that you've got and find out if it's going to fit inside of that section. You need to have a minimum of about 3 inches and 3 inches of drywall before you get to the molding for the pieces of art to sit. It's better really to have a little bit more drywall space and a little bit more drywall space in there between the picture, because then the art really shows up and it helps it to pop, and you don't just see molding being so crushed in together. Now you can do it that way, but it's better to have a picture that's standing by itself. Sometimes I take a picture and I bring it from the end of the molding, bring it in about 10 inches, and then bring it in 10 inches on a small wall. Of course, a bigger wall, you can do a little bit more space in between, but you have a wonderful spacing of the drywall to have a division. Plus, sometimes the color of the wall will make the picture color inside of the picture, which is called the color palette, to just pop and make it look so pretty. Many times you have vertical or horizontal. You can do what's called stacking of the picture that's right there, and you put another picture on top, and that picture go about 2 to 3 inches separation. Then you go to the next picture, go about 2 to 3 inches separation. Depends on how tall your whole wall is. Sometimes you have 12, 14-foot ceilings or even taller. So you want to have the pictures going up higher so it doesn't look so short and squatty when you do have it. 8-foot ceilings are fine too. You can put just a couple pictures up and it looks really good too. My desire for you is to have the beautiful art that you have, no matter if you have a small, big wall, whatever it might be, to make your house look even more homey and more comfortable. I'm Britt.